The larks in the cornfield. Would you wait while danger creeps in or act before it's too late? Discover how a wise mother lark outsmarts the farmer and teaches her chicks a powerful life lesson. A family of larks made their nest in a cornfield. As the corn ripened, the mother lark grew concerned the farmer would soon harvest it. Each day, she asked her chicks to listen carefully to what the farmer said. One day, the farmer told his son to ask neighbors to help reap the corn. The baby larks were frightened, but the mother said, "Don't worry if he waits for neighbors, he won't do it soon." The next day, the farmer planned to ask relatives. Still, the mother wasn't concerned. But on the third day, the farmer got frustrated and told his son, "We'll hire workers and do it ourselves." Hearing this, the mother lark said, "Now he means business. Let's leave tonight." They flew away safely, just before the harvest began. Moral value. Real change begins when you stop waiting for others and take action yourself. Match the word to its meaning. Words. 1. Reap. 2. Nest. 3. Frightened. 4. Depend. Options. A. A bird's home. B. Scared. C. Rely or trust on someone. D. Cut and collect crops. True. False quizzes. 1. The mother lark told her chicks to listen to the farmer. 2. The farmer's neighbors came to help reap the corn. 3. The baby larks were never afraid. 4. The mother lark decided to move when the farmer wanted to do the job himself. 5. The larks were caught before they could leave. Let's discuss. 1. What does this story teach us about personal responsibility and action? 2. Have you ever waited for help but later realized you had to do something yourself?